Okay, Samsung fans have been waiting for a phone that they can call premium, and the Galaxy S6 and the 6 Edge, S6 Edge, give them that with a Gorilla Glass design on the front and back. What you're looking at on the right here is the Edge model, which gives you a curved edge display on both sides of the phone. So you'll be able to get features like being able to unlock this and get tickers on the right-hand side, whether you're a lefty or righty, and the Gorilla Glass extends to the back. There's going to be multiple color options, although it's going to depend on the region. Let's give you a walkthrough of both the design and the features. If you see surrounding the phone of the S6, this is the Edge version, you have a metal body here, in addition to the glass on the front and back. On the bottom, you have the charging, the headphone adapter, as well as a much louder speaker than before. It does look a little iPhone-like, but overall we're really liking the aesthetic. And this is thinner and lighter than the Galaxy S5 before it. And the only differences in terms of the design is this edge that you see between the devices. If you put them down right here, this one is definitely a little more compact. This one is definitely going to stand out more on the shelf. But otherwise, on the inside, in terms of specs, you're getting a Quad HD display on both units, 5.1 inches, a octa-core processor, an Exynos processor from Samsung, although that's not necessarily guaranteed for the US, 3 gigs of RAM. But what you're not getting that you do get on other Samsung devices is expandable memory, and you cannot remove the back for the battery. But Samsung says that they're answering the call for more juice in a couple of different ways. One is that you're going to be able to charge this wirelessly, and this supports all the major industry standards. This will not come standard, but you'll be able to use this not only with accessories, but also at retailers and coffee shops that support wireless charging. And there's going to be quick charging included, so you'll be able to get up to 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, you'll get 50% of power, or if you're going on a plane, you could charge this device for 10 minutes and get 2 hours of video playback. The biggest improvement in terms of performance comes from the camera, and you can see here that it starts within 0.7 seconds, which is huge, and you get really good speed and performance out of the camera. What's neat is that the HDR feature is always on, which is new for this device. And what's also cool is that there is an IR detection on the back, so it can tell whether or not you're indoors or outdoors based on the ambient light, and it's all using this sensor right here. Speaking of sensors, on the front of the device, you have the home button here, and you can use this for a double tap for launching the camera. But you'll also use it to unlock the device just with a tap. No longer do you have to swipe, and you'll be able to use this for mobile payments, because Samsung says that you'll be able to use this for magnetic stripe technology payments as well as NFC, which gives them an advantage over the iPhone. Let's take a quick look at what you could do with the S6 Edge screen. So with the screen off, all you have to do is just sort of rub this like a genie in a lamp to see the Edge ticker here. And you can scroll through to see things like your notifications and other things and on this ticker display right here. When you unlock the phone, the functionality is a little bit limited, because unlike the Note 4 Edge, there isn't like a shortcut to all of your apps, but you do get this menu right here for all of your quick contacts, and you can assign a color to each of your contacts so that when you get an incoming call, you can actually lay this down and you'll see the incoming call and the Edge display light up that color, which is pretty neat. So this is a quick walkthrough of the Galaxy S6 and S6 Edge. Of the two devices, definitely the Edge has the edge when it comes to design, but you're getting the same features in both of these phones. This is Mark Spoonhour, and this is our quick look at the Galaxy S6 and S6 Edge for Tom's Guide.